How's it going? I'm here for day 39 of Fergal's Tune a Day. We're in the Stone Mountain Arts Centre in Maine, an amazing, absolutely fantastic venue here if you're ever happening to be near this area of Maine, way up in the mountains. It's beautiful, so I'm going to play a tune today that was requested by Stefán Fraser from Belfast, and it's a tune called The Glass of Beer. See you tomorrow for day 40.